join that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no, don't go your way. Thank you. And you fell back in again. I'll stop here.
Who took who out?
Neither of us took each other out.
Yeah.
We took ourselves out.
Oh. Don't worry about being in the lead, April. Just worry about staying on the track.
That's the wrong track. Oh, there's a couple out there, I think.
And we are
You're
mine.
one and two tracks as well.
I don't know we are mine.
Oh, you're over here. You're stuck.
That's up. Go April. You're mine. I lost five of your way. Oh, crossroads. You. Yep. You're right. Good. You're up close. There the slower, like, you'll be right. Like there, here. Just roll in the corner.
And Papa's the door.
Yep. Go. And remember, you're up there. Oh, yeah. Oh, stuck. Stop.
Oh, I've stopped in the corner.
On you. Sounds like April's off the corner again.
Oh, I spun and she hit me.
Oh,
Go, April.
I'm
I've
on
lost
the
my
way.
car. Where's my car? Hang on.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're in the...
Yeah, I can't.
Go.
Hang on. You got
Going.
cars in a tunnel halfway through.
Yep. Give it to this. Yep, there you go.
Yes, sir.
What was that? That was yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, the fire's coming.
Leave it.
Get you. Mama hit you.
No, no.
Oh, I saw that, April. Oh, I just jumped out.
She skipped track and jumped back in.
Next trail lane up the track, Steve.
Oh, April's stuck in the corner.
Oh, that one in the right one.
Which corner is she stuck in? Oh, I
tunnel
see.
corner.
Yep.
Take it out.
Go, April. Going. Oh, where do I stop? April, did you get your push? I'm stuck. Oh, too much power.
Where were you?
Yeah, back here. Inside.
Oh, somebody give me
Steve,
a Somebody give me a puff. Can somebody give me a puff?
Wait a minute, April.
Oh,
got a brick wind.
Yeah. Instant run.
That handbrake was stuck on.
Yeah. Slow down a little bit, April.
Oh, we hit it at the crossover, did we?
Yeah, we did.
I'm not going. Wrong tracks. I'm red.
And she still hit you. Where am I? Oh, there.
Oh, stuck on the tape.
I think April's jumped tracks.
I just jumped it.
Oh, she has this. It's on mine. I'll move you there.
Hey, who's got my car?
Hey.
April's stuck in that track up the top
No,
there.
because I got the wrong way.
Down the wrong lane, mate.
Let's do the right lane now.
Go.
What is that?
Ah!
Oh,
All your things fell off the table. We're trying to reach over. We're going to touch on something. Something down there. Oh, where they are. Where am I?
You're over there, and you're in the hill over here.
Yeah.
April's over there. You could have totally stuck in my car.
Slow down, April. When somebody races beside you, you pick up speed. You're here. You're in the corner. And I'm in that corner.
You're yellow, ain't you? Sorry.
Yeah.
Yep.
You jumped in between the two things. You get through that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, just killed myself.
Oh, I just went. Hey, you guys are scary.
Oh, you give me a push. Ah, there you
Oh, he spun completely out that
go.
time.
I did.
Oh, watch that.
That would have looked awesome if I spun around and carried on.
That was not me. I just.
Oh, you're stuck on the tape. I got you.
You gotta slow down for the corners.
I'm in the corner.
Here you go, April.
You away, Nick? Oh.
Okay.
It's on the wrong track. You put me in April's track.
Is that right?
Yeah. It's like, why have I not got response and it's still moving?
Where am I?
Have I jumped
Oh,
back?
you're stuck on the tape, April.
Every time I keep on getting stuck on the tank. And I'm stuck on.
Oh,
I'm.
you're not stuck.
Oh, what's this like that racing?
Where's that going? Fast left.
Then I think if both of us on the side, we're side by side, we're not. We're going for it. Oh! Oh, up in the corner. Oh, what happened there? We must have spun out and then we hit each other.
Oh, where did I go?
You're right here, right behind you. You're fine. You just stop.
Yeah, I just lost where I was.
Yeah, that's the trouble. You lose where you are.
Yeah, you go half around the track before you realise it. Yeah, what happened then?
I
I've
think
got-
we collided and I'm not in my lane anymore.
I got 3 cars on my lane now.
Have you?
Cobra is yellow.
Yellow, yep,
That one?
yep.
Do we have a
My
camera?
one went in the corner there,
Mine.
blue.
Do we have a camera that
What
that
lane's
tunnel
up here?
where we
Yep,
can
that's
see
me.
3 cars
Okay.
Yes.
on days lane?
Oh, he's the way in there, time is spun out.
Really? Oh, come on, I wasn't even
So,
on it. Now you're on my lane.
He loves jumping lanes, the girl. Oh, Simon's out again.
oh no, that's
Wrong
wrong
lane.
Look, Simon's on yours. Look, Simon's on yours, he's yellow.
That explains why they always think. Whoa, sorry, watch out. April's going for it. Still afraid. Catch up in Nick. Whoa!
Who came off there?
April came up there and she's cleaning out the spider web.
She's nothing but tough.
Oh, and Cat is too. Cat is, yep. Eric.
Happy too.
Oh, Steve, I've jumped. There you go.
He's on the railway line under the tunnel. Yeah, go up near your controller. Yeah, now look under there. Yeah.
That would have been cool as caught on camera.
I don't think the cameras are aiming in those directions.
Directions, no.
We did put little camera over there.
Steve, I was up top.
Pull your controller.
Daddy,
Yeah, far lane.
Daddy,
Far lane.
Daddy,
Yep.
Daddy,
Yeah.
just let me tell you something. Somebody was on. I was on somebody's way, and then I pushed Simon, and then he went around the corner, and then he jumped off.
Yeah.
So I pushed him. Hey!
Someone's off.
That's in the wrong lane. Yeah.
Oh, there's a pair of suits.
Oh, wrong track. Go for it. Oh, missed it. Got you now.
He loves being on my track.
Well, no, I was out and Mick put me back at yours.
I got on the wrong track. Oh, last lap. You guys, oh, I'm not going to do another lap then.
Oh, April's stuck over there, the train track. Ah, I didn't even get it.
Now let's see how much
Here's
left
Okay. Steve, 37, Simon, 36, April, 28.
Oh, one lap in it.
I could have had you.
I
I could have had
know.
you if it didn't spin there. I would have had
And
that
I
lap.
just got that you would have got lap. We would have been on the same lap.
Yeah.
So that was 15 minutes.
And where am I?
Oh, that was cool.
Where am I?
You're next to the railway line.
Lap times, white, 15.869.
Yep.
Blue was 15.240.
And what is yellow?
And yellow
What?
was 14.62.
That must be the lap where me and you were neck to neck going across the line.
I didn't hear on mine.
Which lane were you on?
What?
You were white. You did 15.869.